I kind of like Belmar. Yeah, Chevy truck's got a pretty good powertrain. Chelsea Manning, lock her up. Him. Goddamn communist. I get to keep my own doctor. Goddamn Mexicans coming over here, their corona beer virus. Oh, just fucking. Ah! Hillary Clinton, Hillary Clinton, Dave. Hillary Clinton email.
Okay. So for this shot, I'm gonna be like a bear and a bottle of Diet Coke. I'll just put a bottle of Diet Coke here.
Did you bring a bottle of Diet Coke? Are we rolling right now? Are we rolling? Okay. Well, I don't understand the relevance. I'm not, I mean, if that's what you want, I'm trying to understand. Why does the monster want Diet Coke?
No, this is like showing like a conservative, like an average, like,
Yeah, goddamn scared. Get the hell out of my goddamn country.
that kind of person.
Okay.
That stereotype. I guess I'm just like, hey, they're animals. There's another thing. I'm gonna like dig up a cheeseburger.
All right, let's get to it, man.
Chicken sandwich.
Come on, let's do it.
You know, just get like establishing, just like 1 or 2 or 3 things, just showing the general area. Then we'll have a long, I don't know if it's medium, long shot.
Yeah, medium long shots.
It's gonna emerge like some kind of like ape-like creature in its natural habitat.
Rolling.
Action. Just like a mix of animals.
Okay, that's right.
No
That's right. I'm
specific
sorry.
animal.
It's the costume, the lack thereof. It's confusing me. All right, do you want me to shoot from down there? Or...
Get a nice shot.
All right.
It's Diet Coke.
Are we still filming? What does that mean?
All right, that's.
We don't have to do that part.
It's okay.
I just didn't realize you were still filming.
It's okay. We can pack it up.
I guess I should have read the script.
It's all in the script. How you feeling about it? Like sometimes, like, you know, like ironic distance, or it's like if you assume that because you're trying to make something that's satirical, then you're not like taking part in it. What if I like, just by doing this character, and if I like put it out there in the world, one day I'm just gonna wake up and I'll actually be like this, you know? And I will be the thing that I think I'm making fun of.
What were you saying?
Like I'm gonna become.
Oh, hold on. Hey, what's up?
Like I'd become like a Trump supporter, but not like a middle-aged.
Yeah, no, we're almost done.
My brain's calcified.
Yeah.
And I have like the body movements of a trucker.
Yeah, I'll tell you about it later.
And then I'm gonna be like, hey.
All right, bye. I think we're done, right?
Barack Hussein Obama.